Alright, we back. I mean, it ain't nothing else that I did new up in here. You know, but we here to give you guys my 100% honest review of this battery. You know, first of all, it's got 4 connections on the negative and 4 connections on the positive. It comes with all the bolts that you need. You know, I got it hooked up to the distributor box. I might do more connections on there later. I'm still like in progress on what I need to do. Now, as far as things that I done found out myself that I done tried to do so far, I done tried to make this a standalone battery and start the car up. It did not work for me. So I had to put the AFG back into the car. So I wanted to delete the battery, but I couldn't do it. Only thing that I'm understanding that it helped is either a cap or a Titan 8, which I plan on getting each one at each time. Now, as far as the battery itself, it does real good. Right on top right here, when it's fully charged, it lights up. Sorry guys, I still got a little cold in me, so been fighting the sickness. It does a real good job on the Terrams 8K, and it's not having no problem with it. It's been a whole month. It's been a whole month. As the volts, the volts sitting like this because I don't have the acceleration up. But if you look, there you go. I can warm it up a little bit, but sometimes it will sit on 1,000. I used to know how to do it when I had the XMAX, but now I just can't figure out how to do it. Definitely gonna give you guys a little bit of a demo. It might be real noisy. So on top of that, but is the battery a go or a no? Should I recommend it? I mean, yes, I will recommend it. It's a recommendation because it's a great extra power source to have if you got a big amp like like mine. I can say like maybe about 5,000 or above. I do got the power reserve for the amp. I mean, it's just not really much to talk about. I mean, it's not really much to talk about it. Like, if it works, it don't. If it don't work, it don't. That's the thing. Like, that's the only thing I can honestly say about it. Like, so if you plan on getting it, I would say yes, get it. Now it might be it's not really expensive, to the average American, but for a power source and you trying to get a cheaper power source, that is not the answer. Like, you can get cheaper power sources to probably do the job for a 5,000 watt amp or 8,000 watt amp. All right, about to come back with a crazy demo, y'all. Be right back.
You know what it is? When you hear that, it's Montana for the bottom of the track. Man, that boy crazy. Bitches crazy. White House, Black Road, South Bronx, they know. Can't talk, I show. Them brown bags, y'all own me. I flip phones and I stole them. So serious. You thinking we together, see delirious. Cradle to the grave, cradle to the grave. Who made it be this selectively with Taylor made? You know I'm in that bitch, that got this expensive suit of money. Bitch, I'm in that man just like the Yeezy boots. I got rich, I bought a bitch that Betty Crocker. Bitch, it ain't my fault, just like I'm still